Welcome all students in the class second year zoology. Dear students, from last 4 months we are at home due to that COVID-19, and that situation is also persistent. And so due to that we are unable to conduct the class in classroom face to face. So as per the instruction of UGC and Government of Maharashtra, we have started the online classes. Dear students, first we should know the structure of our zoology syllabus. The syllabus of BSc second year is newly framed and which is effective from June 2020. So your syllabus is revised as compared to the last second year. Your syllabus is different. Paper arrangement of paper is also different. So all of you go through in details your syllabus structure. So I would like to study the structure of our syllabus. So in second year, semester third, 2 theory paper 6 physiology, paper 7 biochemistry. So each paper 50 marks. So out of that 50, 10 marks for the continuous assessment or internal evaluation, and 40 mark for end semester examinations, which is conducted by the university. So each paper 50 marks, 2 credit. Then CCZP second, core course zoology practical second, which is based on theory paper physiology and biochemistry. So your practical paper 10th. The practical paper also 50 marks, 10 mark for continuous assessment, 40 marks for the ESE, so total 50 marks. Then SECZ first. So this is new from the second year. Skill enhancement course zoology first. There are 2 skills. Skill 1A hematology and skill B urinology. In hematology we are studying blood related parameters. In urinology we are studying the various parameters which is concerned with the urines. So these 2 skills are very important. They are very useful in the medical fields. So out of these 2 skills you can select one skill, and one skill is compulsory. As per your wish, you can do the skill in any of the core course zoology, any of the core course, maybe in botany, chemistry, microbiology, zoology, that depends upon you, but one skill is compulsory. You can select any subject. So this is the structure of the semester third. So in semester third, total 200 marks and 8 credit. Semester 4, again 2 theory paper 8 cell biology and genetics, paper 9th evolutionary biology and genetic engineering. Each paper 50 marks. Out of 50, 10 for CA, 40 for ASE, Then CCZP second, core course zoology practical second, practical paper 11, which is based on cell biology and genetics, evolutionary biology and genetic engineering, 50 marks. Then SECZ second, SECZ second, skill enhancement course zoology second. Again here two skill second C, histotechnology. In histotechnology we are studying the histology of tissues. On the basis of histological studies, the various disorder of the tissue levels, we can diagnose various type of diseases related to the cellular levels, histopathology. So that skill is very important in the medical field. There is a separate unit in the hospital, histotechnology, and then another skill is the apiculture, rearing of honeybee for the production of honey. It is very important skills that give you a idea about the apiculture. So these skills is very important along with your theory paper, practical paper, so that you gain the additional skills. In future you can, with the help of that skills, if you have the certificate of that skill course, you can start your own business, you can develop your own pathological. So you will get the opportunity as a lab technicians in the field of life science institutes or in the medical field. So these two skills are very important. So out of that two skill, you can select one skill, either histotechnology or apiculture. So in semester 4th, again 200 marks, total 200 marks, 8 credits. Then meanings of the some short forms: CCZ core course zoology, CCZ course zoology practical, CA continuous assessment 10 marks. In theory, we are conducting 4 unit tests, one test on each unit. ESE end of semester examination 40 marks conducted by university. SECZ skill enhancement course zoology. In skill, 25 marks for continuous assessment. So out of that 25 marks, 15 marks for seminar, 10 marks for test. So we conducting one seminar, one test for the continuous assessment during that skill durations. Then ESE end semester examination 25 marks in skill. Out of that 25 marks, 10 marks for the report submission, 10 marks for oral skill judgment, and 5 marks for the presentation. Then practical internal evaluation 10 marks. In practicals also there is a internal evaluations for 10 marks. Out of that 10, 5 marks for submission of record book and excursion report or study tour report. 5 marks for internal test on practicals. At the end of practical, we are conducting one test, written test for the 5 marks. So dear students, this is the structure of BSc second year zoology. If you have any queries, you can ask me on WhatsApp group, or you can ask me on the in the Google class. Thank you.